Thanks, Diana, for inviting me. Are you sure you have time to chat?
No worries. I was working on the presentation for today's board meeting and figured that our company's boardroom is the best place for us to meet. How much time do you have?
I have to meet a friend for lunch, but I have at least 2 hours to spare.
I was thinking if you have to leave, or something need my immediate attention, we can meet later on tonight over dinner, or I would not mind getting a drink. It has been a very long week.
Dinner or drinks sounds great. Now, I start thinking maybe I do have to leave. And getting drinks will help me to grasp the project management do not do list concept faster.
Ha ha ha. You are so funny. Okay, let's talk about the project management do not do list. I'm sure that won't be the first time you will hear some of my statements.
Please.
My first do not is, do not lose focus. It is very easy to be motivated when starting a new project. However, it is not so easy to maintain that same vigor and energy a few months into it. Therefore, my first advice: become a good finisher, not just a good starter.
Excellent, Diana. Very good start.
The second one, we already touched on when we discussed how to avoid wasting time on project. Don't rush in. Always remember, the sooner you start, the later you finish. Improper planning costs you big throughout the life of a project. Don't give in to pressure to just start cranking away without following basic project management methodologies. Not only it prolongs your project, but also could contribute to your project failure.
I agree. Sometimes we are our own enemies. Making shortcuts and rushing to finish makes project messy. We are losing focus, team members are confused and angry.
Great comments. The next one is a reminder to myself. I always struggle with it. Don't always say yes. Show the project sponsor the critical components that need to be included, and let them know why you wish to exclude the non-essentials. It is usually the seemingly small non-essentials that can cost you the most time and money.
Oh yes. I know exactly what you were implying to. Trying to include all of the functionality up front is a recipe for cooking up an over-budget and over-the-deadline project with a side order of negative ROI. We always have to learn to be selective. It is an art, and one that you will get better at with time.
The next one you are the best at handling. Don't take sides in a political battle. Stay neutral.
Are you sure I'm good at staying neutral?
Yes, I am. I know you too well. Being neutral is one of your strengths.
Please carry on.
The next on is the most important. Don't forget to communicate. I know that for you communication is not a problem. However, let's assume, if communication is not your strong point, find someone on the project team who is good at it. If you up the creek in the technical aspects of the project, it is easy to ignore the communication issues. Therefore, make sure you or someone you trust is keeping the right people informed.
I like the way you put it.
Thanks. The next one is also very important. Don't put the wrong people in the wrong roles. An apple is still an apple, even if you color it deep orange and put a clementine sticker on it.
I always like your sense of humor, but it's so true.
The next two, don't make up excuses and don't overpromise and underdeliver. I have zero tolerance for this. I always tell my team, if you made a mistake, which we all do, admit it and fix it.
I totally agree with you. I have zero tolerance for this too.
I think I have a couple more to add. Don't forget to keep the big picture in mind. There is a delicate balance between processes and resources that we must maintain. It is our job to ensure that things come together at the right time and for the greater purpose of the project.
Yes, keeping the big picture in mind is very important, and it complements don't lose focus.
As always, Amir, great comments. The last but not least is don't take all the credit. As Harry Truman once said, it is amazing what you can accomplish if you do not care who gets the credit. I guess, that's my do not do list.
You've done an excellent job by summarizing all those important concepts. I just want to add a couple more.
Go ahead, I was waiting for it.
Don't forget about your team. Remember to keep them motivated and informed.
Love it.
Don't let any one individual on the team burn out. We all have to put in late hours here or there, but don't let anyone continue to do so for an extended time without taking a break. It's just not healthy.
Yes, you are right. We do have tendency to burn out team members when we are in a firefighting mode.
I know we also plan to go over how to motivate team member, but I need to go. Let's meet tonight and discuss it. What time would you like to meet?
Please give me a call around 7.
Great, talk to you then, bye.
See you tonight. Enjoy your lunch.